Welcome to Digital Academy. Today we're going to talk about how to create and edit your video using Filmora. In this tutorial I'm going to create a simple one. For this start I will continue making a course with introduction, with sound effects and your own record for the video itself. As a start, you will start by the menu is media. You will import any media you want. Let's say I will import media files. Let's say I will navigate to find the video that I have screen recorded before. Then I need to add apply to the scene. As a start, you will find the media, the videos. You can import video and audio from import menu. After that, you will start adding your videos as follows. Let's say I will start to add video number M12. When you grab it and drag it to the timeliner, it just add it to the timeliner. Then it will start by the menu on the right side. Then you will see the effect that you have applied to the video. As a start, I will continue applying my videos as follows. I'll just drag it to the scene. It will be snapped according to the settings to the area, the exact area, the exact match just adjacent to the first one. Then as follows, I will create the third video. Let's make it number 12. Then I will apply the sound. The sound will be shown as a sound image and the video will show the screen of the video itself. For this one I will add, let's say, cinematic. You can see there is two lines for the audio if you want to first audio or applying a second audio, and we'll apply the audio of the video itself. You can see it's snapped according to the video above it. Then I will add the second sound. Let's make this one. When you apply it, drag it at the first. Then I will heading to the end of the videos by scrolling. You can decrease or increase the size of the timeline from this menu. You can see it's increased or decreased according to how much is this line here. Let's make it bigger a little. And remember to hit Ctrl and S to save your progress, or hit to File menu and save project as, let's say, Maya 2025 tutorial 12. Then hitting save. Then I will continue applying my two final ending videos. It's like the opening and the final number of the lesson. Then I will heading to the start. When you head into the start, I need to increase the size of it a little. You can see when you hover with the mouse over this line, is this the second? The second will be shown at the menu when I started. I need to split the video. If you want to split it, just right click and hit split or crop and zoom. And if you want, you can use the shortcut Control and B. Just I using shortcut to be faster. Just Control and B. And move this, and moving this line, this marker is where you will split your video. Just move it and hit Control and B. Why am I splitting? Because I need to add some video effects. Let's split it first, then apply the effects. Any effect you will apply, you will find it in this line. The first one you applied the media, second one you will find music presets on the program itself, you can be downloaded, and the third one you apply the text. It will be explained later in advanced lesson, but for this one I will start for applying by transitions first. When you hit a double click, you will see the effect of transition on the right side menu. You just grab it and drag it to the one, and if you want another one, just grab it and drag it. I will apply this effect, this one. You can just double click to see the effect, and if you want to apply, just double click and it will be applied at this scrolling line, or you can just grab it to the video you want to apply it to. When you're hitting this to start from the beginning and hitting play button, you can see the transitions, the effects like the water, the fire that you've applied will be applied to your own video. You can see the effect is slow because it's the graphic memory. The transition effect will depend on how the speed of your graphic memory on your PC. For this one, this will be enough, and I will heading to the end of the videos and split it again by pressing Ctrl and B. Why you split it and divide it into parts? Because if you didn't split it, you will only apply to the beginning of the video and the ending. If you want to add multiple transitions, then you will need to divide it by pressing, move the scrolling first at the point you want to apply it, and make sure you've selected your video and hit Ctrl and B from the keyboard is a shortcut. Just press Ctrl and B, it will be divided. Then drag the transition that you want to apply. For this one, you can see the different transition. You can double click to see it from the right side panel and apply it to your own video. I just grab it and drag it down. I think that's enough. Then I will heading to adding the sound effect. When you start adding the sound effect, you can double click on any sound to get the menu of the sound volume itself, the speed if you want to increase the speed or decrease, and the fade in and fade out is like the increasing and decreasing at the beginning, at the ending. It's like gradual increase and gradual decrease. If you want a cinematic effect, it's just gradual increase at the beginning, and then the voice at the end of the track, it will be dragged down. For this one, I need to split the sound at the beginning of recording of the lecture itself. So I will hit Ctrl and B at this point. Then the controlling of the sound of 100 is enough. But for this one, I need it to be the background effect and the background music or sound effect. So I'll just double click to show up the menu. Then I will drag the volume down. Let's make it 4 or 3 for this one, and then increase the fade. I will make it 1 second and the fade out 1 second. When you're hitting OK, then you just save it and hitting play button to make sure of the effect that you have applied. When you are satisfied with it, then you move up to apply a new sound effect at another part of the video. Let's say I will add at this point, then I'm moving this scrolling point menu. This cursor, they allow you to move and apply the sounds and the video at the point that you will drag. It will snap it according to this cursor. Then I will apply, let's make the same sound effect and make sure it's just 3 and hitting OK. When you select the sound, you can copy it by Ctrl and C and just move to the end and just press left mouse click and Ctrl and V again. And then moving around, then just select this one and press Ctrl and V. For this one, I will at the end apply another one, Ctrl and V. For this one, it's just grab it and drag it, it will be snapped according to the end of the first one. Then you want to cut the end, you just move at the end, hover the mouse over it, you will find this tool just showed up. Just grab it and drag it to the end. Then you ended the sound at the last section of the video. When you hit play button to make sure that you have made it at the same point, it will start again from the start. Then I will be heading to the end. Then I need to move the sound effect at the end. Then I need to increase this a little. You can see I need to make sure that I remove any noise at the background. You can see the noise is starting at this point, so I split it by pressing Ctrl and B, then select this part and pressing delete button. Then I deleted the noise. Then when I end it, it ends with it. And I need to split this one at this point, pressing Ctrl and B, increasing the sound a little. And the final one, increasing also a little. Let's make it. Also remember to make the gradual effect of fade in and fade out. And pressing OK. Make sure by pressing play button. I make sure I split it this one. Then apply the transitions. Let's try this one. Just grab it and drag it over the section of the video that you want to add the transition. Then I will heading back to the start. Let's decrease its size a little. Then I want to try to add some overlays. Let's say I want at the beginning of the video, I want to add some overlays. Let's try this one. You can see this is overlays. You can hover over around and see from different menus that you are downloading or your collection inside of Wondershare Filmora. It have a great collection. You can download it and try them. For this one, each section you can apply some effects like particles or flowers or lines.
Export it as an image or an video. If you export it as PNG format,
then you will move around to make sure that the sound effect is matching your video and apply another overlays.
Just leave it as it is. Let's say
you can heading to all to choose from them all.
you will need is the size and the type of the camera that you will run with. You can run your respective view, top view, side view, any camera of the scene, or you can create your own camera. And the presets of the size of the footage. If you wanted HD,
let's take this one.
format of let's say Gen 80.
You can see the effect. You can increase it and decrease it from by dragging and grab it. Then you increase the duration that will show up and or decrease it on the screen. Then you continue to start to choose different one. Let's grab it and put it at this point.
You can select, drag it and remove it from the scene, or you can select it by the name from the outline. You can double click on the outline and change it. If you want to apply it more than once,
then I will try to add some filters. Filters and overlay, it's like accessory, you don't need to add them, but it's like adding effect inside of the video. Let's scrolling down and start applying some effects. For this one, I just need a simple one.
That you will add. For this one, you will first change the color. You can change the presets. AI standard
Let's
surface
try this one.
presets. Let's
When you apply it, you can increase its size or decrease it by hover with the mouse over the end and drag it to the side. When you move around and hitting play button to see the effect.
AI standard surface presets. Let's say I want a presets by AI, river, clay, plastic, gold, glass.
Then you can head into the final one is the text. If you want to apply a text, just press this menu and you will find different presets you can choose from them. If you can scrolling down, you will see different criteria of and the sections of the text you can apply. Let's say I want to apply some sort of text like at the bottom of the screen. You can just double click to see where you will apply it. And if you're satisfied with this one, just grab it and drag it at the timeline when you hit on the play button.
The light and the transmission, it's like the opacity, the transmission of light.
If you double click on the text that you've added, then you will hit the inside menu and preset. Here you will find the color fill, here you find the color itself of the lines, then the effect of it, you can change it like the value of the opacity of the color itself. Then changing its place, you can double click inside of the text and delete it and type in your own. Let's say opacity. Let's say use AI standard and choose from preset. Then you can increase or decrease the opacity of the text that you've applied. You can increase the blur. If you're just satisfied, you can change the color. Let's make it white to be clear. And let's say I want to change the font. Then I will hit to preset. Just double click to use from the presets. Then you head to customize to change a different color. This is the main menu that you will use, the opacity and the color. Then you hit the animation. The animation is the movement that will be inside the scene. It's like where it starts to be shown and where it will disappear. Then if you are satisfied, you make sure of the duration. Just drag it and grab it. It's like any board inside of it. The more you drag it to the side, the longer the duration that the text will appear. It's like the opacity will not appear so much, so I will drag it. It will increase the length of the time that will be showed inside of the screen. Then hitting OK, then you will find it after playing.
The light.
You can see the effect that you have just applied at the text. This is how to add your text, and you can scrolling up to choose from different preset. You can download it and find it on the left side menu like traveling, education. It has different preset from the top and the bottoms of the side. Let's say this one have different effect and different presets. I recommend using editing with Wondershare Filmora. It's great effects inside of it and a very simple way of application. Then I will continue to make sure the voice and the sound is correct inside of my video, and I remove any noise. You will find it by increasing the size of the timeline. Then you will see any noise will be shown as this gradual increase. If you find any noise, you can just press Ctrl and B and split it and delete it.
It will be made according to the assigned an existing material or a new material. Any material you will add your own. For
Then
finishing
I
the
will
video,
move
you can
around
apply and
to make
apply
sure the
all the
sound
text
have no
inside
noise.
one scene. You will find on the right side panel any effect of the color that you will apply, any edit and any modification.
I can apply another text. Let's say I will choose this one also. If you are satisfied with it, just drag it to the point that you want to apply the text, double click inside of it, and then start to apply your edits. If you just double click and didn't show up the menu of edit, just press advanced. When you hit advanced, then you can apply your own edits. Let's type in my text to see the effects. You can see I can change the type of the text, the font. You can choose different one. You can change the size of it. Let's decrease its size a little. You can just drag it from the handle and move it at any point in the screen, and just increase the length of the text effect from this point if you want to increase it or decrease it. And remember the presets. If you want a different preset with the shadow, you can choose this one, this one. Let's make it white to be clear, and customize it, change its color. Let's change it to green, and I think the more white is the more the clear. You can apply some opacity and some blurring effect or distance, but for this one I will change only the animation. It's how it will start in the screen. Let's make it this one, and after saving you can just align it like from the left, right, or the center, and then press OK. Then I press OK for this one also, and hitting play button to make sure it's placed at the right place and the text that I have typed in is matching and correctly.
You can close it and you heading to
And
render
remember,
view.
you can add some filter also and some overlays. Let's say I need to add this overlay. You can see the effect.
Final view and heading to render the scene. The graphic memory will depend according to the speed will provide and the more
And I will add this one also.
to the speed will provide and the more graphic card you will have, it's the faster that you will see the render and the final image at the end. Thank you for watching.
And after finishing, you can add any media, any sound at this line, or you can just drag it and grab it. Just move it to the timeline to the point it will be snapped at the end or matching any video over it. Then when you are finished, final part is just remember to hit Ctrl and S for saving your progress. Remember to press Ctrl and Z if you made any mistake and want to move a step back. And when you are satisfied with your final product, I think that's all for this one and this lesson. Just export it from export menu and press create video. You will find a different preset like WMV, MP4, AVI, MOV. The main one to choose is just the MP4. You just type in the name of your video. Let's change this name to make it my tutorial 12. Let's say this one is about hypershade, and then you will save its location. It's like you press and where you will save the final video after rendering. Change the setting as the size of it. Let's make it 1080 and make it frames 24 frames. You can increase or decrease the quality. It will affect the size of the final video. For this one I'll make it the best and pressing OK, you will find it the size is will be shown at this menu. This is the duration of your video, and when you hit export, it will be rendered according to the speed and graphic memory of your PC. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.